So I want to share something with you today. I've realized in life, one of the key lessons I've learned in life is the areas where I'm not growing. My relationship, my finances, my spiritual life, my career. Those areas that I'm not happy with, there are areas where I'm not growing. I believe the same applies to all of us. The areas where we are content are often areas where we've become stagnant. So we are stuck. And it's very easy to find something or someone to blame for our lack of progress. It's very easy to latch on something as to why things are not moving forward. Today, I want to explore this in the context of money, particularly given the challenges the world is currently facing with a high inflation rate, high exchange rate, high taxation. As a certified money coach, you may already know I'm a certified money coach. My name is Edith Sidondo. I'm the founder and CEO of Profit Acumen, a money coaching firm. And one of my primary goals is to help people to elevate their financial well-being while maximizing their earning ability. And you might have a laundry list as to why my money runs out before end of the month, why I'm so much in debt, why I just don't seem to have a clear game plan for my retirement, why money seems to flip through my fingers. I just earn it, before I know it, it's all over. You may have a laundry list as to why these things are happening. Perhaps you believe that it's because your employer is not paying you better, or it's because the government is not growing this economy, or you have so many dependents. If you had fewer dependents, maybe things would be better. Or you may even think, if I were in a different location, if maybe I was based in the US, my financial position would be better. Or your financial situation would improve. So you may have a laundry list of reasons as to why you feel stuck financially. Here is the hard truth. It was an equally hard truth for me, right? Many things that exist in the world that you may think are the cause of your misery around money, many of those things are things outside of your control. The world may be unfair. Yeah? Your employer may be truly unfair. The weather may be unfavorable. The economic conditions and climate conditions may be harsh. True, that may be true, but you have no control over them. It's essential to face this reality. It's essential to accept it, because sometimes we live in a space where we just don't accept what is our reality. Hence, what happens? You keep ruminating and whining and blaming and complaining on things that are beyond your control. And what happens? You are likely to fall into a depression. Right now, we are facing a larger number of people who are having mental conditions than before. And it emanates from things like this. Blame, worry, ruminating are not strategies for a meaningful life. They change nothing. They can only worsen things. Blame, worry, they are not a strategy to attract abundance in your life. Instead, they block any form of progress that you are likely to make. Remember, many of these problems that I've mentioned that you may be facing have something to do with money, have something to do with your financial situation. Yet money is energy. Money is an energy that you need to attract. And I want to quote for you from my book. My book is called My Money Journal. It's a hands-on guide for you and your money. It's a book that you must have. I do hope you have your copy. You must have your copy. And you can even check them out in Textbook Center and get your copy. So it says, as one of the characteristics of money, so there are a number of characteristics of money, but I just want to focus on the one I've mentioned. Money is energetic. That's the third characteristic. Money, like electricity, has a magnetic field. It has a magnetic field that responds to our particular charge around it. You either attract it or repel it, depending on your inner state. When you blame, you worry, you ruminate, you complain about things that are outside your control, your inner state is negative. It's heavy. Money cannot thrive in that space, depending on your inner state. For money is like a mirror that reflects the energy of its beholder. I hope you get that. Money is like a mirror that reflects the energy of its beholder. So what you choose to focus on is what you'll experience. If you're focusing on the economy is bad, people are bad, the world is unfair, that is what you will experience day in, day out. That will be your recipe for life. So you can choose to focus on things that cause you suffering, or you focus on things that inspire gratitude, no matter what is happening. As humans, you don't just experience life. Sometimes we think we just go through life. We just experience life. No, we experience the life that we choose to focus on. Just give it a try. Try and focus on gratitude. Tell yourself from tomorrow morning, even from right now, or whatever time zone you are in, from right now, I want to focus on what is good in my life. Try it, and you'll see you begin to attract more good. So regardless, I don't know at what point you are at as you listen to this video. Regardless of where you are currently financially, regardless of your current financial situation, or any challenges you're facing at work, out of work, in your personal life, I want to assure you of something. That challenge has anything to do with money. There's something within you. There's something within you that is valuable beyond what you do currently. If you're frustrated in a job, or if you're jobless, that does not take away your most valuable financial asset. What you have within you, your education, your experience, your expertise, that stays intact. It's a gold mine within you that is waiting for you to unearth it. Only you can give yourself permission to unearth it. Until you do that, it stays in there as you complain about what you're lacking, what is not working. And I want to help you on this. I want to help you to find your gold within that gold mine. I have a special gift for you. On 2nd of October at 7 p.m. East African time, we have a free masterclass at Profit Acumen. It's a free live online masterclass. During that session, we'll take you through the proven 4-step framework the proven 4-step framework to help you diversify, help you diversify your expertise and break free from the one income trap or from the no income trap. It sits right within you. So to secure your spot, right on the link below this video, I don't know whether it will be below or above this video, but it's embedded on this video. There's a link. Take that link, click it, register. Yeah, get your spot, because also we do not admit so many people. So lock your spot and see you on this very valuable session. And I cannot afford to end this session without giving you a quote again from this book. This book has 85 quotes. Which are very helpful to help you change your mindset and your outlook towards life. And quote number 74 says, I have the power to shift my mindset and create new things that will serve me better by having faith and taking action, instead of having blame and worry, by having faith and taking action. And then quote number 75 follows. It says, I believe that all things are possible for me, and I am determined to make that belief my reality. All things are possible for you. They are possible for you. Stop blocking your gold mine. Go deep and excavate it. If you don't know how, join us in the masterclass on 2nd of October, 7 p.m. East African time. And let's begin the journey to transform your reality in the money space. Bye for now.